how to buy crypto on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. The process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to buy your crypto on crypto.com, you can do so on your website or you can do it on the crypto.com wallet. In my case, as you can see here on the screen, I'm on the wallet. What you want to do is at the home page, you'll get buy or sell option, as you can see on the screen. If you do not get it on the screen, if you tap on the crypto.com logo at the bottom of your screen, there you'll get the buy option. So simply tap on buy option and it'll ask you to select a particular crypto that you wish to buy. You can select any crypto such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Kronos or Polygon, and once you tap on it there, and it'll ask you to enter in the value amount and enter in your payment details and such, and you'll be able to buy it if you have enough funds on your wallet. So this way you can easily buy crypto on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.